Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your phone is unlocked and online. This prevents sync errors. Next, open Settings and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. You need to access the account list. Once there, find and select the email account in question. This reveals sync options and server details. Make sure you remember the exact email address because the display may list similar accounts. Doing this first saves time when verifying or resetting the password later. Now you inspect the account details to locate where the password is stored or validated. Tap Account Settings, then Server Settings or Manage Account to see incoming and outgoing server info. This explains why logins can fail. For Gmail accounts, use the Google Account Security pane to check recent sign-in activity and whether a password or app password is required. Once done, note any error codes or messages. They point directly to authentication. Finally, re-enter the password carefully in Account Settings. Tap Show Password to verify each character because typos are the most common cause. If that fails, open a browser and perform a password reset on the provider site, then return and update the credentials. Make sure to handle two-step authentication by creating an app password if required, and confirm server ports and security type match provider guidance. If sync still fails, clear app cache or remove and re-add the account. That usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.